Dear students, are you difficulty to draw internal structure of heart? So before going to draw this diagram, you have to practice these. This is aorta, the biggest artery in the blood circulatory system. It is C shape. You have to practice this properly. You can able to draw the diagram easily. Another important part in the internal structure of heart, pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery also, it is difficult to draw in this blood circulatory system. It is in the T shape. If you draw this diagram properly, you can able to draw the internal structure of the heart. Naturally, it is while practicing this diagram, this is difficulty to draw in internal structure of the heart. So you have to practice this one. Now I am going to start the shape of the heart. Naturally, heart consists of 4 chambers. Upper chambers are called auricles. Lower chambers are called ventricles. Before going to draw this diagram, you have to draw upper chambers of the pericardium is covered around the heart. It is a strong muscle which is protecting around the heart and containing a fluid that is called pericardial fluid. Pericardial fluid is present in between the two pericardial layers, separated by a septum that is called auricular septum. And the ventricles are also divided into a septum. This is called ventricular septum. Left ventricle and right ventricle will be separated by a septum that is called ventricular septum. So both auricles and ventricles are also separated by a septum that is called auriculoventricular septum. Now I am drawing superior vena cava, which is the largest vein in the blood circulatory system. It collects blood from the upper portion of the body, and also I can draw inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava is it is collecting blood from the lower portion of the body. Right side of the heart receives blood from body and sends to lungs. The left side of the body receives blood from lungs and send it to body parts. The arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery. The veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary veins. Auricles and ventricles are separated by auriculoventricular septum. In the left side of the auricle and ventricle, left auriculoventricular septum is present is separated the two chambers. In between these left auricle and left ventricle, there is an aperture and valve which is used to prevent the flow of blood from auricles to ventricles. So that is called dicuspid valve or mitral valve. In the right side of the heart, right atrium and right ventricle will be separated by a septum that is called right auriculoventricular septum. In this septum there is a valve present in the septum which is useful to prevent the flow of blood from ventricle to auricle. So that is called tricuspid valve.